Today let's talk about aspirin versus clopidogrel versus ticagrelor monotherapy compared to 12 months of dual antiplatelet therapy following percutaneous coronary intervention, a systematic review, and meta-analysis. Short-term dual antiplatelet therapy may reduce the risk of bleeding after percutaneous coronary intervention as compared to the standard 12 months of dual antiplatelet therapy. However, it may not provide the same benefits against stent thrombosis and ischemic events. We aim to analyze the various recent randomized controlled trials to find the ideal drug among aspirin or one of the PGY12 inhibitors and time of initiation for monotherapy following percutaneous coronary intervention with the lowest risk of adverse outcomes as compared to long-term dual antiplatelet therapy. Coming to methods, randomized controlled trials comparing monotherapy with ticagrelor, aspirin or clopidogrel to dual antiplatelet therapy in adults undergoing percutaneous coronary intervention were selected. The primary outcome was defined as major adverse cardiac and cerebral events, which is a composite of all-cause death, myocardial infarction, stroke or clinically driven revascularization. The secondary outcome was clinically relevant bleeding. Coming to results, drug-based analysis, short-term dual antiplatelet therapy was associated with a lower probability of major adverse cardiac and cerebral events and bleeding risk. Ticagrelor was associated with the lowest risk for both major adverse cardiac and cerebral events and bleeding. Duration-based analysis, switching to monotherapy at 1 month or less presented a slightly higher bleeding risk but a lower risk of major adverse cardiac and cerebral events as compared to switching at 3 months. However, both strategies had a lower risk for major adverse cardiac and cerebral events and bleeding as compared to 12 months of dual antiplatelet therapy. In conclusion, short-term dual antiplatelet therapy is superior to 12 months of dual antiplatelet therapy, with ticagrelor being the safest drug started either at 1 or 3 months depending on the clinical situation.